Follow us. Nanay, when will the sea turtles come here? Nanay, where's the sea turtles?
There's a jellyfish.
Nanay, where's the sea turtles?
I don't know.
Nanay, you said the sea turtles were way down.
Sandri, go down. Okay, tatay, nanay. The girls are gonna go back. Love, nesting daw siya ng jellyfish.
Okay, this is Saily, Pretty Saily. This is Pretty Nanay. This is Handsome Kuya. And this is Ugly Tatay. Okay, our last day trip. So later we will go back to our home. And thank you, Coco Group. Yeah. Breakfast. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Wow.
Can I have some eggs?
Okay, you eh. Okay.
Can I have 100 of eggs?
Dito na po kami sa port ng Sigorian. Sakay kami. Allison. Saily. Sandri, Saily. We're here po. Sigihor. Till next time. Yeah. Nasa Roro na kami, Allison. Yan. Sa lukuyan po kaming naglalakbay patungo Pantala ng Dumaguete. Yan. Yun. Time check. Mag-aalas 2 na ng tanghali. Hapon pala. Yan. Really, you're in the tricycle. Tricycle.
Pwede po to. Pwede puntahan. Pero hindi daanan ng ano papunta.
Okay. Sige.
You're in the town. Hani pang sarap pala nito. Sarap dito sa ano, purong kape. Ang kalat oh. Sans Ribal. Ito yung Silvanas. Ito pala Silvanas. Ito Sans Ribal. Cake. Dito kami sa Dumaguete. Ang sarap niya. Ito pala yung ano, boulevard ng Dumaguete ng atol.